Welcome to Englisonic, your daily boost to learn and practice English with ease.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's grow your English together.
Hello, my friends. Let me ask you a question. If you plant a seed but never water it, will it grow?
Of course not. The seed will stay the same.
Exactly. Learning English is the same. If you study once and then stop, your English will not grow.
So I need to water my English every day?
Yes, a little water every day makes the seed grow into a tree. A little English every day makes your skills grow strong.
But why every day? Can't I just study a lot on weekends?
Think about exercise. If you go to the gym once a month, will you get strong?
No, not really.
Right, but if you move your body every day, even just walking, your body changes. English is the same. Your brain is a muscle. It needs practice every day.
I see. So small practice is better than one big study session.
Exactly. Repetition is the key.
But I forget. Sometimes I say, I will study today, and then I don't.
That's because it's not a habit yet. Do you brush your teeth?
Every morning and every night.
Do you think about it?
No, I just do it.
That's a habit. English can feel the same. If you connect English to your daily life, it becomes automatic. 10 minutes a day is enough to start.
10 minutes? That sounds easy.
Yes. Don't think about hours. Think about consistency.
But sometimes I feel like 10 minutes is too little.
No, it's powerful. If you read one page before sleeping, that's progress. If you listen to a podcast while cooking, that's progress.
So small steps really work?
Yes. Imagine walking every day. At first, you move slowly, but after 100 days, you have walked very far. Small steps, repeated daily, create big results.
Okay, but how can I make this easy for myself?
Here are some tips.
Tell me.
Tip 1. Connect English with routine. Do English with something you already do. After brushing teeth, read one page. After dinner, listen to a podcast.
Oh, so English becomes part of daily life.
Exactly. Tip 2. Use your phone. Change your phone settings to English. Read news in English. Follow English accounts. Let English live in your pocket.
That's smart.
Tip 3. Don't wait for perfect time. Many learners wait for the quiet room, the perfect book, the long study time. But the perfect time never comes. Small practice now is better than big practice later.
That makes sense.
Tip 4. Track your practice. Keep a notebook. Write what you did each day. When you see progress, you feel proud.
I like that idea. But why does daily practice work better?
Because your brain builds pathways. At first, the path is small, like grass. If you walk on it once, the grass grows back.
And if I walk every day?
The grass falls down. Soon, it becomes a road. Daily practice makes your English road strong and fast.
What mistakes do learners make with daily practice?
Some learners study hard for 1 week, then stop for 3 weeks. That's like eating a lot one day, then starving. Your body needs food daily. Your brain also needs English daily.
Yes, I have done that before.
Another mistake is waiting for motivation. But motivation is like weather. Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it rains. If you wait for sun, you miss many days.
So I need discipline, not just motivation.
Exactly.
Can you give me real examples?
Of course. Morning, read English news for 5 minutes. Afternoon, listen to a podcast while working. Evening, write 3 sentences about your day. Night, watch a video with subtitles.
That doesn't sound hard at all.
No, it's easy. The secret is not big actions, but daily actions.
Do you know someone who improved this way?
Yes, Anna. She was a student. She wanted to learn English, but she was busy. She said, "I don't have 1 hour to study every day." So she decided to practice just 10 minutes daily.
And what happened?
She read 1 page before bed. She learned 3 new words in the morning. She listened to music in English while cleaning. After 3 months, she noticed change. She understood more. She read faster. She spoke with confidence.
Wow! Only 10 minutes a day?
Yes, no magic, just daily practice. Now, English feels like a friend to her.
So, in short, why is daily practice so powerful?
Because it creates routine. It keeps your brain active. It gives faster results. It builds confidence.
I understand now.
My friend, remember the seed. If you water it daily, it grows. If you forget, it dies. Your English is that seed.
So, I must water it every day. Even 5 minutes is enough?
Yes. Start today. Don't wait for tomorrow. One day you will look back and smile. Your English will be strong.
I will start now. Thank you for the lesson.
Good. Step by step, every day, you will succeed.